Hey, what's going on, world? It's your man Slim Jim Longfoot, aka the GOAT, King of America. On this video right here, I'm going to show you how to make 20,000 views on one video. How you do that? I know you're like, man, come on, really? You know, I done checked out your page, I done checked out your videos. I don't even see 2,000 views on one video. Well, what I'm gonna do, y'all, is so simple. Even a caveman can do it. Yes, I did quote some guy code. So go ahead, check this video out, and you're gonna see how to make 20,000 views on one video. Are you ready? Here we go. Also, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, such as my art video series, GOAT 1408 TV, my small YouTubers support series, as well as my vlog talking about how I'm combating diabetes and I. So feel free to check all of those out while you're over here on Slim Jim Longfoot. Alright? I hope y'all enjoyed that sketch right there. Now let's go ahead and get to the main event, what you're here for. How to make 20K views on one video, 20,000 views on one video. Alright, as you can see, I'm going into Google right now. You know what I'm saying? I typed in happy white guy, you know? I mean, that's something simple, right? I know you're like, where is he going with this? Where is he going with this? Okay, I'm gonna basically tell you where we're going with this. How to get 20,000 views, how to make 20,000 views on one video is very simple, guys and lasses, guys and gals. It is very simple. Making a great thumbnail. And that's what you're about to witness right here. You know, I'm making a good thumbnail. The thumbnail is going to attract people to come to the video. Yeah, a lot of people would of course call it what? Clickbait, right? Yeah. But that's what all videos are about. All videos are, you know, have a thumbnail that's going to attract you to the video. So at the end of the day, all videos are clickbait in the sense that it's telling you, hey, look at me, check me out, click on the video, see what's going on. And that's how you're going to get views to your video. Whether your video is talking about how to make 20,000 views on one video, or whether it's talking about how to eat cream cheese filling chocolate chip cookies or some crazy mess like that. You know, a video, a thumbnail is supposed to intrigue you, entice your viewers. That's what's going to get you your views on your video. And on this particular video right here, I wanted to gain that attention of showing you how to get views on one video. Now, you could have your thumbnail show a young lady or a young man twerking, you know what I'm saying? Like a man twerking, that will probably get a lot of video views, right? You know what I'm saying? Because somebody out there wants to see a man twerking. Maybe, maybe not, who knows? So, you know, so we're basically going to show you right now how, I mean, it's pretty simple from this point forth. So I'm gonna quit talking and you just watch this thumbnail get created. All right. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, how to make 20,000 views on one video. That's the thumbnail that I created for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the process of it. I know you're like, but how does this really help me? How am I going to make 20,000 views on one video? How can I make more than 20,000 views on one video? Well, once again, it's self-explanatory. You know, either you gonna get it or you ain't. So just make sure that you have a topic. Make sure that you have content that's going to attract people to your video, to your channel. And from there, you make it do what it do. I might get a lot of thumbs downs on this video, but if that happens, that's because you watched it. I might get some thumbs up on this video. If that happens, that's because you watched it. In the meantime, between time, I hope you enjoyed this. Happy Easter 2020, y'all. For those that is living in 2020 right now, just like I am, we're going to make it through all this. Don't lose yourself over this man-made virus. Let's keep on pushing on. In the meantime, happy Easter. It's your man, Slim Jim Longfoot, aka the GOAT, King of America. I'm out, y'all. And hopefully I can do a video of my second version of this thumbnail, how I made 20,000 views on one video. You get me? Alright, one love.
Tell them don't waste my time. Tell them don't waste my time. Tell them don't waste my time.